Hi! In this video, I will show you how to remove yourself from our group text on the Android. So the process is pretty simple. If you are looking for how you can left the group on the Android, then it's not possible. Unfortunately, on the Android like I have in the iPhone, you can left that text groups, so don't worry. I will give you a trick in the Android also. So first of all, open your chat box and select the group. You want to ignore the messages. Once you will select the group, open it and you will see three-dot icon on the right top. Simply go to the details from here, and once you will click on the details, you have to click on the notifications, and you can simply turn off these notifications from here. So in future, if you will get messages on the group, it will not show you a notification or something like that. Will irritate you. So in this way, you can remove yourself from the group on the Android. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.